Welcome back, everyone. It's still me, Kiza Thomas, taking you through campus training. This is basic training for campus. So the other time we designed our well trajectory, our first well trajectory, and this is how it looked like. So we needed to see how our well trajectory looks like in a graph format. So what we do is we shall come up here, and if you can see these graphs, we have three types of graphs. There's this, which is a 3D graph. We have this, which is in the inclination, in the azimuth direction, and this is in the inclination direction. So I'm going to click on each one of them so that we can see how the interpretation is of the well trajectory. So I'm going to start with this so that we can see how our well trajectory looks. So this is in the inclination direction, where we have the TVD on the vertical axis, and we have the vertical section on our horizontal axis. So this is how our well trajectory looks like. I hope we can all get this well trajectory in our machines. We can all see it. If you didn't see what we did, you come here and click on this graph so you can view your well trajectory. So I would say congratulations to those who have successfully seen the well trajectory. Then you can also come in the plane view and view your work in the plane direction. So here we are seeing the south-north direction in the vertical axis and the east-west direction in the horizontal axis. So it is showing you in the azimuth direction that we had the same angle. Our angle did not change. Now we can also view it in the 3D. So you click on this 3D, and then you see this. You can left click and rotate it around so that you can view it in different directions. You realize we have our north direction, and we can see our trajectory in different angles. You can also come here and zoom it in from this plus sign. So you can click on zoom in, and then click on zoom in, and then come and zoom it in so you can view it very well. Or you can zoom out. Click on zoom out so that you go back. So the other things that you can do, you can also view it in this 3D solid view by clicking on 3D solid view so that you can view your well trajectory in the 3D solid view. So I hope we can all get this. So this is our 3D solid view. So our session for viewing the well trajectory, our first well trajectory, I think will end here. I hope we've all gotten it, and I wish you the best in that. So the next part that we shall cover on how we put in casings into our well trajectory. How do we put in casings? The different types of casings. Where do we go so that we can put in the different types of casings? So please don't miss the next part, which will be our 6th part. Thank you very much. It's Kiza Thomas from this side.